Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirah Binti Mahpop. So we would like to present our website project for the subject CSC264 that our lecturer has assigned to us. Next. So this is our team member, which is Nick Abdullah Ariff as our team leader. And others we have Muhammad Syabil Aqil, me Amirah Husna, next Khairrun, Zulaikha, and lastly is Muhammad Nur'Syafiq. Next, for introduction, the idea to develop a booking system for the UiTM card and field came about when we are given the task of CSC264 to develop a system for UiTM. We chose this title because we only know that there's no official system for booking card and field yet to make reservation if there is a party that wants to play a match or a friendly match and so on. So for our knowledge as the normal students at UiTM, we only know that to make a reservation is still done manually where it is necessary to print an official letter and send it to superior. So we as a group plan to create a system for student or any party to make reservations. Through the system we will develop with the aim of making it easier and with the hope that it can be stored more securely and systematically. The system that we want to develop is a card and field booking reservation system. This system is for the use of UiTM students and also staff at UiTM, where the system is capable for students to reserve the cards and field involved and can be also be used for staff to manage the booking information and update the records so that the information is always up to date. We already do our best to develop a user-friendly system so that user can easily understand the order flow and will be sent online to the superior directly. So next, so this is our logo and our motto is simple, quick and precise. Our vision is to be the preferred booking system by UiTM and others, and our mission is to develop a system that simplifies the booking process. So I would like to pass to Khairrun and Zulaikha.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulaikha Binti Anuar. Okay, so for our objective, we have three objectives. The first objective is to create and design a card booking system that will assist user in the booking a card at University Technology Mara, Cawangan Tapah. Using this system, users will be able to reserve a volleyball card, futsal card, tennis card, or basketball card. The online service enables user to accomplish the same thing at their leisure time. Second objective is to assist administrators in keeping track of the records from traditional system. This system can assist admin in keeping track of booking records, locating them in the database, and managing booking as well as redundancy schedule. For example, admin also can change the schedule and cancel the reservation. Third objective is to reduce the cost of traditional methods of making reservation by low cost and high performance solution. That's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ariff. So I'm going to explain about the login form. So as a staff, so if I want to log in as a staff, I have to key in the ID and the password. So for example, I want to key in the staff ID, which is 1234. And then the password is admin. After that, I will click to the login button to enter the website. So the first interface that pop up from the website is the report interface. This is where I can see all the records that have been made by all the booking that have been made by the students. From this report, I can refer to the booking ID, student ID, card ID, booking time, booking end, and booking date. Okay, next I will go to the search interface. So from this interface, the search interface is where when I want to search for the booking ID. For example, I want to search for booking ID which is 211. And then after I click the submit button, all I can see is all the information about the booking ID for 211. From here, I can refer to the booking ID and card ID and the student who is made the booking, which is student ID 1121, booking time, booking end time, and booking date. Next, I will explain about the update and delete interface, which is update record. Now I'm going to explain about the update record. For example, as you can see here, you can see all the record history. From here, if there is any correction that I want to make, for example, the students choose the wrong timing for the booking, I can change that through the update record interface. For example, I want to update the record for booking ID 211, then I will click the update button. Okay, from here I can edit the booking start, booking end, and booking date. For example, I want to change the time starting for 4 p.m. and end the booking time for 5 p.m. So the student will book the court for 1 hour. Then after all the confirmations, I will click the update button to save the update. As you can see here, the record that have been updated, which is for booking ID 200 and 211, the time already changed to 4 p.m. until the 5 p.m. Okay, next, which is a delete record. Delete record is where if the students cancel the booking, I can delete the previous booking that they already made. So there is no any confusion between the students and the staff. So I will click the delete button for booking ID 211. And as you can see, the booking ID already removed from the update from the record that has been made by the students. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syabil Aqil bin Muhammad Saifullah. So now I will present about the student page, which we need to sign or key in student ID and password. As you can see, the student ID already have in database, and we just need to enter the same in database. So 121, and the password is 121 also. So after I click login, so this will be the dashboard of student page, which consists of tennis court, volleyball court, futsal court, and also basketball. So when you have this interface dashboard, there are 3 buttons, which is home, contact us, and logout. If you click home, this will be the first interface. So if you want to know more about us, you can contact us, which is when you click contact us as example. So this will be all about us. You can see the detail, which is contact us, address, phone, and also email. So when we want to book our reservation, we need to click the image, which is, as example, if I click tennis, then this will be out, which is tennis court. So first of all, student need to enter the booking ID, and then student ID, court ID, date, book tab, book start, and book end. So as example, if I click 215 for booking ID, and the student ID is the same as login, which is 121, and the code ID, which is at the top of your page, which is 200, then you can book anytime you want. As example, I click 31, then the start, which is 4 p.m. Until 5 p.m. Then if I click submit, this alert message will be print out, which is you successful create your booking. So when I click OK, Then you can see successful booking. So you can log out from the system because you finish your booking. And that's all for student login.
Okay. So we move on to the database. So for the database booking code, we have four table, which is admin, booking, court table, and student table. So we move to the admin table. So as we can see, in admin table we have admin ID, admin pass, admin name, and admin number phone. So this table will keep the admin information and admin ID as the primary key. So we move on to the booking table. So in the booking table we have booking ID, court ID, student ID, booking time, booking date, and booking end. So for the booking table, uh, we keep the booking information and the booking ID will be the primary key. So next we move on to the court. So in the court table we have court ID and court name. So the court ID will be the primary key. So we move on to the last table, which is student table. So for the student table, we keep the student information login. So it consists of student ID, student pass, student name, and student faculty. So the primary key in this table is the student ID. So we move on to the conclusion. In conclusion, we want to create a new system for your ATM staff and students, which is code booking system. This system can help them to reserve the code and use it according to the time that they reserve. So when the student and staff make the book reservation, they need to decide what times and dates they gonna use the code. So next, our booking system must be simple for them to use it without any problem, and the information that recorded must be precise. This is because we sticks to our vision and mission. So that's all from me.